In this video, I'll be showing you how to create Spotify artist account. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Spotify on, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or Samsung, or whether you're on a PC or anything like that. So all you want to do is go to your browser of choice and type in Spotify artists. You're going to see artists.spotify.com. Now you're going to see get access as one of the options. Now it says get access for Spotify artists. It's going to ask you what you are. I'm going to go ahead and click artist right here. Now, all you got to do is claim an artist profile. So we're going to go ahead and click continue. It's going to ask you if it's the right account. And then it's going to ask you what profile are you claiming. And then if you press music not yet live on Spotify, go ahead and click on that. And it's going to tell you to get music live. It's going to show you exactly how to do it, where you have to choose a distributor first. And then, yeah, if you're part of a label team, you can also go ahead and do it that way too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.